Was it? What song were you slapping?
I'm literally an icon living, bro.
You think I need the stitches or not?
Go the camera.
Oh yeah, I don't know if I need stitches.
Oh,
I don't really want to go.
Oh my god.
Be ready, right?
It's like we like Nick in hospital. We're like this.
Emergency AR, cut his finger off.
Yeah, like everybody's like.
Like that right here. Fuck. That was a fail. Right there where that car went?
Yeah.
Bro, it gets bad here in the bank.
Yeah, this is where. Yeah, we over here.
So we came this road. It's pretty lonely. We're gonna do the exhaust comparison right here. Yeah. Doesn't look dope. Does it look dope? Let's get it. Allah, fuck it. Hella close, huh? Hella similar. Keep going. Why, bro? Why, Nick? Bro,
That's funny.
rear bank problems. That's how bad it gets right here in the bank.
We gotta do this type of shit.
Alright, we're gonna talk about the exhaust here. Plus, this guy's gonna come. We're gonna record a YouTube video. Is that cool?
Yeah, you can't do it here. This is a turnaround zone. You want to park?
Oh my god, hella extra.
Alright, explain to us what you got in this TI, man. Alright, man, all I really got is just a exhaust cat pack. It's a Tomix TI. TI standing for TT.
Fuck.
Big ass fucking seat, man. Yup, it's right there. That's a nice little 4-incher. 4-incher points.
Fuck.
This is enough, guys.
And Los, I mean, and Joe?
Alright, let's
I just have a remark axle back, and I don't have a resonator.
Dope.
What do you guys have?
What the fuck? What's it doing here?
Why is it so close?
Oh, shit, guys, that shit's about to crash.
GTA server, bro.
Alright, so let us know what you guys think about the exhaust setups. They're pretty close, but I don't know. You guys let us know.
Right there.